Snapchat, something went wrong, please try again later. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix the Snapchat something went wrong, please try again later message popping up on your phone. If you are getting the issue, what you want to do is try switching your network. Now scroll down your notification bar and you can switch to your LTE mode or your data mode, or you can toggle on and off your Wi-Fi, or you can switch to another Wi-Fi network. Once you do it and you still can't reload your page, or you are still getting the pop-up saying something went wrong, please try again later, then what you want to do is head over to your phone settings. Now to do so, scroll down your notification bar and on the top right corner of your screen you can find the settings icon. Once here, scroll down and search for apps. Here you can look for apps. You can see that I've got apps option here. You'll get one too. And here you can either scroll down and search for Snapchat, or you can just search through your search bar and you can see Snapchat. And what you want to do is head over to stories. Now if you are on iPhone device, then what you want to do is just tap on upload the Snapchat app and upload it. If you are on Android, all you want to do is clear your data and clear your cache. Now what this does is it resets your Snapchat app. It's as same as uninstalling and reinstalling the app without actually uninstalling it. So clear your data and then restart your phone. If you long press on your power button, you'll get the option to restart your phone. So once you restart it, your issue must be fixed. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.